Ready to elevate your English skills? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, it's me again, and today I'm going to teach you the differences between say and tell.
Yes!
The verbs say and tell have similar meanings. Both of them mean to communicate verbally with someone.
Wow.
The easiest way to think of say and tell is we say something and tell someone something. Ou seja, nós falamos alguma coisa e dizemos alguma coisa a alguém. Daniel said that he was tired. Daniel told Gaspar that he was tired. Tara said, I love you.
Wow.
Tara told John that she loved him. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please comment below, follow me on my socials, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you soon.